What's up, class? There's going to be three short, quick Excel modules left, or videos, and then you'll apply them all in one last assignment. These are the things we normally learn right before we do the final project in Excel. So I think both pretty easy, or all three are pretty easy. Pretty quick to learn, and can be fun too, for sure. So first one's Sparklines. Okay. It's very similar to conditional formatting, so I'm going to walk you through that now. This is just random data that's, I don't know if it's real, it's from an old Fioti lesson, but it's sales, okay, in different departments, clothing and shoes, over 12 months of the year, okay? So what we're going to do is go right here. I'm going to do this to the side here, actually, right? Clothing, actually we'll go here. Clothing, or we could just do it in a new tab. Sorry, kind of getting this. Clothing, shoes. Okay, we still need department. Okay, here, and then we're going to make this double click here to make it wide. And then we'll make this sales. Sale levels over past year, January through December. Okay, double click and make this total sales in thousands. Okay, double click, spell total correct. Cool. Okay, so this is the cell where we're going to have the Sparklines. Okay, so all you do is just go insert. Okay, and here's the Sparklines. There's three options. We're doing columns. Okay, data range is all of these. Okay, and then location range is the cell. Oops, we want sheet one, and then go to this and there. Okay, close it and then hit OK, and there we go. So it creates simple bar charts in the actual cell. Okay, which I think is actually pretty darn cool. Okay, now let's do one for shoes. So once again, insert, column, data range. There we go. Close. Location range. It's already selected. Hit OK. And there we go. And then what I'm going to want to do is make these the same height. Okay. Row height. I'll say 35. What does that look like? That's pretty good. I want to change the color of this. So go back to design, which is in the far right. Okay. Sparkline color. Just select maybe an orange one. Okay. Cool. And then we're going to add total sales here. I'm going to make that conditional formatting just to remind you how to do that. Equals the total. Okay. Drag down to get the next one. Okay. We're going to make both of these currency. So format for currency. There's no reason to have the decimal, so get rid of those. Okay. I'm going to put them on the left. Okay. And then I'm going to center all of these cells. Whoops. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Cool. And then I'm going to make it bold. Now we're going to add the conditional. Man, I'm struggling. Bold. Now I'm going to add the conditional formatting. Okay. New rule. I want the first format all cells based on their values. Data bar. Okay. We're going to start at a number. We're going to start at 0. And then we want a peak number, and that's 1500. So it's going to fill this cell up in relation to its value between 0 and 1500. So the closer to 1500, the farther this cell is going to be filled up. Okay. Gradient fill, same color as that. We're going to add a border, then we're going to hit OK. So there we go. So it adds that. Okay. Same thing here. Conditional format. It needs to be a new rule because it's different color. Okay. Data bar, number 0. You want the same range. So even though this is a smaller number, you want the 1500 again, because you want to show it in relation to each other. Gradient fill, pick our orange, okay. Then add a border, and then hit OK. So there we go. We can bold this. We can add an underline. Okay. But you can see once again these are like columns in relation to these values. Okay. So it's just a more quick, simple way instead of adding a full plot, which I think is actually pretty darn cool. Okay. So this is Sparklines, which you're gonna have to do in your last assignment. Thanks, guys.